My name is Bernard Mutopo. I'm from Stockton, California, and I'm originally from Zimbabwe in Africa. What prompted me most to come to M.E.E.T ministry is that when I visited home Zimbabwe, I had all my medications, and at the customs, they thought I was in some kind of a business selling medication because I had quite a large packet of bottles and bottles of medications. So they just allowed me, but they wanted to charge me duty for the medications I had. I had medications for my diabetes. I am pre-diabetic. I had medications for my blood pressure. I had also a CPAP machine. I was getting really tired of taking all these medications. There were too many. I had also some supplements in there. When I came here, I discovered that the therapists and everybody, including the kitchen staff, had a lot of passion in the work they were doing. The therapists particularly were very encouraging, very prayerful. Whenever they took us for therapies, I was surprised. Prayed before the therapy and prayed after the therapy. Within a week, my blood sugars, which were high, I discovered that I was recording 75 in the morning, that's fasting blood sugars, and about 90s in the evening, something which had never happened to me. I forgot to mention that during the first 5 days, we were fasting, just taking herbal juices, teas, and cleansing juices. It helped me a lot during those first 5 days. And when we started eating, my sugars didn't change at all. I'm still recording very good blood sugars in the morning, even in the evenings. They never spike at all. My blood pressure, which was above normal, I'm beginning to see some changes. Originally, I had maxed all the doses for each of the medications I have. I'm beginning to record very normal blood pressures. And I thank the Lord for all this. I'm really thrilled at what is happening to me. Above all, I also enjoy, and each morning and evening we have worship. We have seen that there's a link between body, mind, and spirit. You cannot cure one part of an individual and ignore the other. So the spiritual aspect is closely linked to the physical aspect. I can say my spirituality is improving. I am studying more my Bible. I'm praying more. I know that if I continue in this trajectory, everything around me, my stress and everything will be okay. I'm so thankful to be at M.E.E.T ministry. And I encourage everyone who is hearing my testimony that if you come to M.E.E.T ministry, whatever your problem is, it will be solved. Thank you.